there, this is Tasha. Welcome to Stardust Gold Crochet. Today we're going to learn the half double crochet, which is an easy stitch to learn for beginners. It's a great stitch because it creates an interesting look, a little bit different than the single crochet. And so for the half double crochet, the first step is to yarn over, and then you insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up the loop, so you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Then you yarn over and you pull through all 3 loops on your hook. So let's do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull it up, yarn over and pull through all 3. And this is such an easy stitch to learn. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave any comments below. If you have any video tutorials you'd like me to make for stitches or patterns, let me know. Leave them in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Take care. Happy crocheting.